Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A very warm welcome to all of you in your English language class. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start a new topic which is articles. This is lecture number 1. This is our learning outcome. By the end of this topic, inshallah, all the students will be able to identify and use definite and indefinite articles. Before we proceed any further, let us listen to a hadith. The Prophet ﷺ is reported to have said, "A person neglecting his salah, even though he makes it up later, shall remain in hell for a period of one haqb. A haqb is equal to 80 years of 360 days each, and a day in the hereafter shall equal 1000 years of this world." Reference Fadail Amal, Virtues of Salat, page number 47. Now let's find out about articles. What are articles? Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. English has two types of articles: definite, that is the, and indefinite, which includes are and n. Now consider the following examples. Example number 1. After the long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. By using the article the, we have shown that it was one specific day that was long and one specific cup of tea that tasted good. Example number 2. After a long day, a cup of tea tastes particularly good. By using the article a, we have created a general statement implying that any cup of tea would taste good after any long day. Let us discuss indefinite articles first. Both a and an are used with singular nouns and countable nouns. We use a with words starting with consonant sounds. Example: a horse, a one-way ticket, a university student. We use an with words starting with vowel sounds. Example: an hour, an apple, an honor, an engineer, etc. We use the indefinite article a or an only with a singular countable noun whose specific identity is not known to the reader. Example: I think an animal is in the garage. That man is a scoundrel. We are looking for an apartment. Definite articles. Definite articles are used with unique things. Example: the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, the sea, etc. They are also used with particular persons or things. Example: the boy with blue bag, the house at the end of the street, etc. They are also used with people or things mentioned for the second time. Examples: I saw an elephant. The elephant was in the zoo. The car hit a tree. The tree fell down. Definite articles are also used with persons or things understood from the context. Example, in the bathroom, on the table, in the garden, etc. They are also used with singular nouns representing the whole class. Example, the computer is a useful machine. The rose is a beautiful flower. They are also used with the names of rivers, gulfs, seas, oceans, groups of islands, mountain ranges, etc. Examples, the Nile, the Pacific Ocean, the Mount Everest, the Persian Gulf, etc. Definite articles are also used with the names of nationalities, communities, etc. Example, the Muslims, the Chinese, etc. They are also used with the names of holy books, newspapers, and hotels. Example, the Quran, the Dawn, the Sheraton Hotel, etc. Before ordinal numbers. For example, the first, the last, etc. This is exercise number 1. You are required to fill in the blanks with suitable articles where necessary. This is your homework for today. You are required to complete exercise number 1 in your notebook, which has already been discussed in this video lecture. I hope you will find today's lecture both informative as well as interesting. Inshallah, in the next class, we will continue with the same topic. Until then, it is Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.